we are going to learn about ternary operator in PHP. Ternary operator in PHP can be defined as a conditional operator that is used to make the code shorter and more readable. This method is an alternative for using if-else statement. The order of execution of this operator is from left to right. And this operator is called ternary because it takes three operands. It takes a condition, then a result for the true, if the condition evaluates to true, and a result for the false. The syntax for a ternary operator, we have a condition, then a question mark, a statement, a colon, and statement 2. So the condition, it is the expression to be evaluated which returns a Boolean value. Then after question mark, we have statement 1. So the statement 1 is that it is the statement to be executed if the condition results in a true state. And the statement 2 is a statement to be executed if the condition results in a false state. Let us see an example code for the ternary operator. In this program, we have a variable $marks whose value is 50. In this ternary operator, we have a statement that checks that whether $marks is greater than equal to 50, then it will print passed. Otherwise, it will print failed. This ternary operator syntax is equivalent to the if-else condition below. If $marks is greater than equal to 50, inside the braces we are printing echo passed, and in case of else we are printing failed. This if else condition has the shorter syntax that we can write using a ternary operator. PHP ternary operator has a shorthand syntax as well. So after PHP version 5.3, we can use question mark and the colon combined. If we have a value $initial and we set it some value, so if $initial evaluates to true, then the value of $initial is assigned to $result, or otherwise this string no value provided will be assigned to $result. So let us write some code to understand the ternary operator. Open your favorite IDE like Visual Studio Code and create a folder named ternary-operator-php in your WAMP or XAMPP. I will add a new file and name it as index.php. I will create a variable $marks and assign it the value 50. We'll write $result. So over here we have a condition that if $marks is greater than equal to 50, then passed will be assigned to $result, and if this condition evaluates to false, field is assigned to result. I will print $result, and let us run this code inside the browser. Open the browser and type localhost/ternary-operator-php, and if you press enter, the passed is printed because our condition has evaluated to true. And if I change this 50 to, for example, 15, I will save the script and refresh the browser. If I refresh by pressing Ctrl+R, you can see the failed has printed. Let us see that how shorthand syntax for the ternary operator in PHP works. So first I will comment this out and I will start writing $result is equal to. After $marks, I will add question mark and the colon and the statement that needs to execute if the condition evaluates to false. If $marks evaluates to true, then $result will be assigned the value of $marks. Otherwise,
$field will be printed. Let me save this and run the script in the browser. If I refresh this, value 15 is printed on the screen. So this brings us to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to read more tutorials on the latest technologies, visit our blog at programmerblog.net. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.